And a father's warning as the court throws out a multi-million-dollar opioid ruling. It's all right now on News 9 at 10. And we start tonight with that big news. The state Supreme Court reverses a landmark $465 million ruling against opioid manufacturer Johnson & Johnson.
And tonight, a father who lost his son to an overdose says this change will only result in harm to Oklahomans. Our Barry Mangold is live from the Oklahoma Supreme Court tonight. Barry?
Yeah, Kelly, Amanda, Oklahoma won that $465 million judgment after it argued that Johnson & Johnson created a public nuisance by selling its opioids through deceptive marketing. Well, today the state Supreme Court said that public nuisance law does not apply to drug manufacturing.
We never suspected anything. I mean,
Craig Box testifies in a Cleveland County courtroom in 2019 about his son and OU athlete Austin Box. Austin died suddenly in 2011 after overdosing on opioids.
2011, this crisis that everybody on both sides of the aisle calls it, nobody knew about it.
A judge awarded Oklahoma $465 million from opioid maker Johnson & Johnson for using deceptive marketing to sell its addictive drugs. Now the state Supreme Court has reversed the ruling, saying, quote, however grave the problem of opioid addiction is in Oklahoma, public nuisance law does not provide a remedy for this harm.
Now Oklahomans will die. And I mean, that's a fact.
The money would have helped with treatment programs for addicts and infants, staffing state agencies, and more.
That money that wasn't going to anybody's pocket. It was going to treat Oklahomans and address this problem, and now it's gone.
Box says the foundation started in honor of his son will continue to educate the public on the dangers of opioid abuse.
The goals we have is to continue to educate the public and to try to save one life. And so, if anything, it's probably emboldened our resolve.
And legal analysts say that it is not possible for the state to appeal this case to a federal court because it concerns a state law. Oklahoma Attorney General John O'Connor said today his office is exploring their options. In Oklahoma City, Barry Mangold, Oklahoma's own News 9.
All right, good work, Barry. In a statement, Johnson & Johnson says the Oklahoma State Supreme Court appropriately and categorically rejected the misguided and unprecedented expansion of the public nuisance law as a means to regulate the manufacture, marketing, and sale of products, including the company's prescription opioid medications.